Here's how to watch age-restricted or adult videos on YouTube in 2026. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Tap your profile picture in the top right, then tap Settings. Go to Account, then Google Account. Make sure your birthday shows that you are 18 years or older. Go back to YouTube Settings. Tap General, then find Restricted Mode. Make sure Restricted Mode is turned off. Close the YouTube app completely and reopen it. Now try searching for the video again. Some videos may still be unavailable due to local laws or YouTube policies. And that's it. You can now watch age-restricted videos on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials.